Find the values of the following expression by writing the terms in each case. Okay, first thing first, let's look at the number of terms. Let me write it big fat. You can write it this way, or I can write the negative number as a positive number. Not positive number, but positive of or adding a negative number. I can rewrite this way and then count the terms. So we have two positive signs and we have 28, minus 7 and 8. So basically we have 3 terms, right? So this has to do with number of terms. Let me actually do that as well. So we have the solution. First thing is number of terms, and this would be our answer. Then value. So how will we do it? 28 minus 7 plus 8. So I will deal with 28 minus 7 first, that is 21. Then plus 8 is remaining. Then this will be, right? Yeah, this will be 29. That's the value. Same thing, please write it this neat. You have to be this organized. Try solving all of it. I'll show one at a time. Okay, I hope you guys have tried this. Number of terms. So we have 39 minus 2 into 6 plus 11. So as usual, I can write this entire expression as plus of minus 2 into 6 plus 11. To count the number of terms, I can do that. So we have 2 positive sign and 1, 2 and 3. So basically we have 3 terms. Now we're looking at the value. Okay. So we have 39. So let me write board mass. The board mass tells us to work on brackets first, but we don't have brackets. There's no operation as in square and all of that. Cube and square, it's not there. Is there division? No. Do we have multiplication? Yes. That is the one we have to do first. So 2 into 6 is what? 12. Okay. And rest of it, we'll just write it. Then we have addition and subtraction. So whatever comes, either addition or subtraction from left to right, we have to do it. So going from left to right, we have to simplify this. So 39 minus 12 is what? This would be 27. And then what is remaining? Plus 11. And now we can do left to right. We have addition left. So basically this is 38. This is how you have to solve it. Again, what did I do? See, I checked for board mass. I took up board mass. I wrote it on the side. I cancelled things which are not there. So multiplication was there. I took care of it. And then between addition and subtraction, whatever comes first from left to right, we need to solve that. So I'm moving from left to right. So I am moving from left to right. So when I did that, I got subtraction first and then addition. So I did that. That's how I simplified it. Next, first thing first, we are looking at number of terms. What do we have? We have 40 minus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So we have a negative sign. Now I'm not converting that negative sign to positive sign. So I want to use the negative as well over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Now the value. So for that we need to use board mass. And remember, you have to go brackets, operation, no division, no multiplication. Everything has to do with addition, subtraction. Remember, everything is in a particular sequence. We have to go left to right. So 40 minus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So left to right, what is coming? 40 minus 10, that is 30. Copy the remaining, copy the remaining. Then 30 plus 10, 40. Then finally 40 plus 10, 50. Right? Did you see that? I went from left to right. Here also left to right. Left to right. Even when it comes between division and multiplication, go left to right. Okay, we have one example over there. That's good. So let's look into number of terms. Okay, so this is a good question. I would want you guys to pause and think over. So we have a negative sign, a positive sign. Before that and after that, we can see a bunch of numbers. And so there are how many terms? Yes, 3 terms. Right? Then we are looking at value. So here we'll write board mass. And then we have 48 minus 10 into 2 plus 16 divided by 2. Okay. Do we have brackets? No. Do we have operation? No. Do we have division? Yes. Division is over here. Between division and multiplication, whatever comes left to right first, that you can do it, or you can just go with division. So division is separate. There's no confusion between division and multiplication over here. So if I go left to right, this is the first division, and that is 8. So division is done. There's no other division. Then we have multiplication, 48. So this will be minus 20 plus 8. So your multiplication is done. Then it's between addition and subtraction. Whatever comes from left to right, I take up that. So first I'm getting subtraction. So this will be 28 plus 8. And finally we have, this is 30 and 36. Again, everything I'm going from left to right. Even between division and multiplication, I could have gone left to right. Let me change that actually. I want to go left to right. That makes it a lot convenient to learn. First we have multiplication. And then division. See, multiplication and division is one group. Addition and subtraction is another group. So bracket is single group. Operation is a single group. And we have multiplication and division, addition, subtraction. The order will not matter over here. All we have to follow is left to right. Left to right. Okay, everywhere. Just go left to right between division and multiplication and addition and subtraction. Please try this. Number of terms. So I'm going to write this as plus of minus 4 into 8. Again, I'm just varying it so that you guys will get all the variation in front of you. Okay. Multiplication has to be ignored. You have addition. And we have subtraction sign, but this has to be ignored because before that is the addition symbol. There's an operation happening. So this is to be ignored. And you have 8 into 5. So all these are multiplications. So basically we have, yes, 2 terms. Then we have value. For that, I need to make use of, can you see that? Now I'm writing board mass as BODMAS so that we remember that we can go in any order. So 6 into 3 minus 4 into 8 into 5. There's no brackets, there's no operation, there's no division, bunch of multiplication, which have to go from left to right. So first multiplication is 6 into 3, that's 18, minus 4 into 8 into 5. Then next we have another multiplication. So 8 4s are, if technically, you just have to write this. All the three can be multiplied one go, but let me not confuse you guys. So 8 4s are, okay. And still we have multiplication. So this would be 150, 160. Right. And then finally multiplication is done. Addition, subtraction, between that, no, there's no addition, just subtraction. And this will give us 142 minus 142. Right? So what did we look at? We understood about number of terms. So the terms are nothing but bunch of numbers with any kind of operation between them happening. It can be a bracket or whatever it is, separated by a positive or a negative sign. That is addition if not subtraction as an operation. If we have addition or subtraction operation between them, then we start counting them as separate terms. And then next we looked at something called as values. Values are nothing but going through board mass and simplifying the given things. So one of the tricks that I showed you guys is to take board mass as BODMAS. That is brackets, operation, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Do you see any brackets over here? No. Any operation over here? No. Division and multiplication? No. Addition, subtraction? Yes. And whenever you get any combination as such, you always go from left to right. Left to right. That's all. Even the very first video which we saw, I showed you guys one news clip wherein you had certain mathematical statement, right? Internet is divided with the solution that can be solved with as easily as any other question over here, just by using board mass and using the concept of left to right. Not concept, but yeah, rule of left to right. Go left to right and you're done. Okay, so you can have a look at the answers.